Here is my super easy air fryer ribs recipe that is seasoned with a simple dry rub and gives you tender, crispy, and flavorful ribs in just 30 minutes. To make the dry rub, mix together 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder, 3 teaspoons of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of cumin. But if you don't have any of these spices, don't worry. Salt and pepper will also work just fine. Rub the ribs really well with the seasoning on both sides. Cook the ribs in the air fryer for 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius, then flip the ribs over and air fry for another 10 minutes. Remove the ribs from the air basket and let them rest for 5 minutes before cutting. Serve with ketchup or barbecue sauce. Check out also my other video here on how to make these super easy and soft bread rolls in your air fryer. Check it out now.